certified 8-boxer. You got Robin C up top. You got Matty G, Gary, Amosa RPG, Dan Turfman, Matty, Mark, Matt. I love it. I appreciate you guys so much, man. Gallant Mike, good to see you back. First T, Amosa, Thunderball. Got just a couple more persons. I think there was like 3 more that were in the line there for personals. So if you guys want to snag anything, have at it. Brady's Booze Cruise had a hell of a run with the personal box. He's ready. Here we go. 8 of these guys. Let's go. Ryan, can you grab me one of the longer, 3-row? No, not 3-row. Just like one of the, you know, like, oh, no. They're back on this, back here. Yep. They're just like the long single boxes, like that where the cards are in. Yeah. No, stop. That wall right back there. Yep, top left. Yep. Any one of them? Just one of the longer ones. Or maybe right below it. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Yep. Right there's fine. Yep. Thank you. Yep. All right. I missed my personal. As pleasant. Hey, I'm telling you, hey, Brady, it was rock solid, brother. Rock solid. I won't ruin the surprise for you. Here's a little Rome at a 350. So I still have some extra of the Absolute packs. This one's out of the Advent calendar. At a 150, TJ Watt. Another Rome. Yeah. Okay. I'll take Ladd all day long at a 349. Over to the Chargers. That's Kirby. Do it. So we're in the 8-boxer. We'll jump back over to personals here in just a shake. There's a Jaden Reed, 2 out of 50. Blake Corum. And you got Jalen McMillan. You know who else is selling? Is Bucky Irving. Wow. Yeah, for Tampa Bay. There's Ricky Pearsall out of 50. Over to San Fran. Well, I mean, Bucky just started this past year. Hey, there you go. How about the Bo Nix at a 275? Matty G with Denver. Oh, that's yep. Maybe. There's a Aaron Rodgers at 275. It's kind of nice, man. The foil cards out of Certified have like the old school. Yeah, there's a slight little bend to them. But it's just like that's how the cards are curved because of the type of foil that they use. And it just reminds me of the old school Phoenix football from back in the day. And I love it. Do it. Yep. Now we're just, hey. Now we're heating up. How about Ladd again? Who's got those Chargers? Put that right over there so I can see it. Kirby getting Ladd at 399. And a Tyreek Hill out of 149 going over to Miami. That'll be John. There you go, buddy. Gotta start somewhere. Not too shabby. Dude, that's a really good start, especially with the Bo Nix. Yes, sir. Oh, there's one more pack. How about that? And speak of the devil, how about Bucky Irving? Right there he is, at a 99. Yep, that's over to Tampa Bay. Dude, way down there, Mr. Doodles. That's all day, buddy. See that? Damn near your buy-in back right there off of one Bucky Irving. I was trying to look and see when, I think like either Prism or Panini Black or there's a big release coming out soon for football. And I can't wait. Cannot wait. Even if it's Panini Black, I know they're doing Photogenic this year for football too. So here's Cameron Kinchins at 225. Another Bo Nix. There it is. Franchise Foundations. Bo Nix. Got a Braylon Allen out of $3.99. Over to the Jets. That'll be Mark R. There you are, buddy. And a Brendan Rice, 16 out of 99. Chargers and a Drake May. Little certified insert there. But I'll tell you what, Kirby and them Chargers doing that work. Here's a Braylon Allen out of 400. Mortals out of 299 of Ines Williams. Ines? Is that what it is?
No, I think it's Arenas.
Arenas? I just say it super fast and mumble, so hopefully it's almost not noticeable. Yeah. Here's a Troy Stanklin. No, it's Franklin. $3.99. Yeah, get him in the mix. Get old Troy in the mix. And then he got Xavier Leggett out of 100. The red border there to Myles Garrett. All right, got some thickens down here. Give it to him. Oh, boy. Stitches in time. Patty Mahomes, Travis Kelce, and Xavier Worthy. Who's got KC? Matty G. Make it count, brother. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. 11 out of 49.
Wow.
That is a... Hey, what's up, A. Miller? No sound.
That's nice.
Dude, that thing is beautiful. Type in here to A. Miller.
No sound?
Yeah. Just in time for those biggins. Here's Malachi Corley at a 350. And Neighbors. All right, well, this goes for everybody. I'd go after another lot of Black Friday packs. Weirdo. All right. Just a little service announcement there. I like that. Okay. We go to the next. Dude, that Mahomes pink. Woo! Get me all goofy. Hey, there you go, Ducks. Hey, absolutely, brother. Hey, I appreciate you swinging in early, man. I know it's like, it's probably not even lunchtime out there, but appreciate it, man. Have a great weekend. I'm pulling something weird. Let's just, don't Google that. But yes, that's the good stuff. Here's a Peyton Wilson out of 400. Alex Singleton. I want to see one more of these Stitches of Time, but I want to see it with all shields. Whew. How about Wan'Dale Robinson? But that's 4 out of 5. Piece of the game. full jock strap. 4 out of 5. Going over the Giants. That'll be Matty G. And a Barack Purdy over there. What are you looking for?
Just a regular.
Oh, they're back shelf. I'll show you. So all this supplies, yeah, back here, regular top loader. And then you know where sleeves and all that stuff are at, right? All right. Uh-oh. What's back here? Oh, dang. Night move. Okay. Anthony Muniz at a 50 over to Cincy. That's Scotty B. But look at these. Anybody but Will Levis.
He's starting though.
He is?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
This week.
I'm pretty positive.
Hold on now. Dude, how sick are these night moves?
They are. That's
Dude, this is gorgeous. That's Case Hit Central right there. Tennessee and First T. George. Dude, that thing is beautiful. I was going to say, yeah, who else is their quarterback? Who else would be Tennessee's quarterback? Dude, that's Case Hit. Levis.
yeah. I mean, they
Real nice, John. Oh, no. Oh, J.J. McCarthy right after that. Hey, now. 249 going over Minnesota and Gary Z. And then you got the gold team, but it's the teal version. Isaiah at a 50. I told you, I done told you. Certified ain't bad. Golly. There's a Lamar Jackson, 225. And then
yeah, he's playing.
Levis he's starting?
He had 2 scores and he lost, but he had 2 scores last week, and he's 7 touchdown passes since.
Has he been the starter this entire time?
Well, he went down. He had some shoulder issues, but they got rid of Moses Williams. I mean,
That's right. Oh, man. Oh, boy. And there you go. There's your J.J. McCarthy.
oh wow,
Dude, these are super slick, man. 8 out of 249, J.J. McCarthy going over to Gary Z.
A. Miller's calling him right now.
I know. Dude, I don't want to say we're tearing it up, but we're kind of tearing it up. For real, for real. Then get the Brownies. Oh my God, this patch. It says it on the card, for crying out loud. Ballers. 23 to 25, Myles Garrett.
Love it.
That, you know what the funny thing is? Those 3 colors, that's the coolest patch you can get of the Browns.
Right.
Out of 25. That's Brady's Booze Cruise. And another Ricky Pearsall out of 299. Golly, certified. My goodness. All right, then you got Danielle Hunter at a 349 over to the Texans. And a Michael Penix, and that's one of the franchise foundations. Dude. Certified. Getting real loose. And there's still 5 boxes left. Dude, there's so much stuff out of here. I love it. Let's go. We're going to keep it rolling. John's here with me, hitting weird stuff. Let's get a weird Miami hit. What do you think? All right, next box. We're in the only 8 boxer that we did. But that's not ain't bad. Sometimes all we had to do is see it. Here's Nate Wiggins, 275. Ricardo Williams. Smoking a weird blunt right now, and I like that. Ricardo. He's my dude, though. He was so much fun to sit with. Here's George Kittle, 349. Ricky Pearsall. There you go, man. 349. And a Brian Thomas Jr. out of 299 over to Jacksonville. And then you got a Cade Stover out of 75 over to Houston. Josh Allen. Do the college playoffs start this week? No, it's all the conference champion. Okay.
Yeah.
Ramadre out of 249 over to the Pats. D Hens. Whatever happened to Ohio State? I didn't even double check.
So they're projected to maybe host Tennessee at home first round.
Oh, really? Tavondre Sweat out of 100. Tavondre might need a sports bra. Look at this.
That guy's an absolute beast.
Yeah, a big boy. Oh, all right. Max Crosby over there.
Join.
Yeah. I'd say so. Crush my face. Marshawn Nealon. Finally, 7 years in. Hey, I know, dude. The Myles Garrett. I love how they all come back. How about this? This is a little banger. 17 out of 99. Drake May.
Oh yeah.
That's going to... Dude, Matty G is doing... Like, I didn't know he got paid to do yard work, but he is doing it today. Matty G.
Raking.
I know, yeah, he's just raking everything. Well, Tyreek insert there. Are they in here, A. Miller? Then you got Latilla. And that's over to Indy. Amosa. There you go, buddy. At $3.99. Little CJ Stroud there. Uh-oh, I see some gold back here. Do it. God, Dallas Turner, you sick SOB. You old sailor, it's 19 out of 25. Gary Z, though, nothing really to complain about since you already had a J.J. McCarthy rookie patch auto. So, I mean,
That'll do it.
that ain't bad. Still 4 to go. We've already hit the case hit. We hit the J.J. McCarthy. We've hit short print Bo Nix. What else do we need?
More 3 cards for you.
Yeah. Let's go. All right. I can't believe that was literally only halfway through. It's a healthy amount of cards, and I like it. Over to Cincy. Scotty B. $3.99. Jermaine Burton. And a Brian Thomas franchise. Aiden O'Connell out of 75. Well, Justin Jefferson, 38 out of 99. There you go. Back over to Minnesota, and Gary crushing it, bro. There's a Tiki Smith, 275. Ricky Pearsall again. DK Metcalf, 349. Patrick Surtain, $2.99. Over to the Dolphins, and John probably fell asleep, but there's a little something for it. How about Ray Davis? Get in there. $2.99 over to Buffalo. Matty G. If you go deep, About to snag some hits, though. There you go, Matty. Tony Casillas. Wait, Casillas? Yeah, 99 over to Dallas. Yeah, it is. One of the mirror autos there. Who had Dallas? That was Frankie P. Dallas Turner again at a 350. And a Deron Bland out of 75. All right, one pack left over here, but still 3 boxes. Dude, certified is like a low serial number game waiting to happen. It's at a 150, Mikey Evans and Will Levis. Yeah, there's a lot of serial numbered stuff. We need to find like a high ticket item and do the low serial number game with certified. 3 boxes left. Absolutely parched. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you gotta take that time out. All right, here we go. 3 boxes left, certified. We're checking off all the boxes. We got the case hit. We got the J.J. McCarthy. We got the Bo Nix. We're getting them. Here's a Ennis, Rakestraw? Sure. And a Christian Gonzalez set of 199 over the Patriots. There's Anthony Richardson, 225. A little shake and bake. Put that back in that pile. Shake and bake right there. Can we see a 1 of 1? That's all we're missing. Here's a Javon Baker out of 299 going over to New England. Where's New England at? Matty G. Yep. And you got Amari Cooper out of 100. And CJ Stroud, the Foundation. Franchise Foundation. All right, thicken. Make it happen. Devonta Smith, the Ballers, Certified Ballers out of 249. Going over to the Eagles. Got Zay Flowers, 349. And you got Cooper DeJean at a 350. Michael Penix. 3 to go in here. 2 boxes left. 73,000 packs. Christian McCaffrey. All right, got the Blake Corum rookie patch auto. Hey, wait, he was a, sorry, here was this. Yeah, Altoon, the Immortals. But yeah, Blake Corum out of 249. Yeah, that's right. Michigan. Yeah. Then he got a Kendry Miller out of 75. Blue guy going over to New Orleans. All right. Not bad at all. So if you guys, we're going to jump right back over to personals after this. So if you guys want to knock around any personals, that'd be good. All right. And here we go. All right, 2 boxes left out of the new certified. But dude, I'm telling you, I feel like, what do you think, Rye? I feel like we kind of crushed this, didn't we? Marshawn Lloyd and Devin Leary. I want to see one more banger, though, just to put it over the top. Here's a Javonte Williams, 225. Incoming. All right. Ooh, that patch is nice for Lato. 37 out of 50. Little teal guy over to those Colts. Mosa. There you go, buddy. And you got a Jaheim Bell out of 50 over to the Patriots. J.J. McCarthy, the franchise foundation. There you go. Brian Thomas Jr., the new generation at 249. And Malik Neighbors out of 199. Marshawn Lloyd out of 350, 81. And you got a Braylon Allen out of 150. Jaden Daniels, little insert there, certified rookie. Trey Hendricks, insert, 2 left here, 1 more box. Somehow women's volleyball got onto there. Hey, here's what the gold guys look like. Anthony Gold, 13 out of 25.
Wow.
Really nice rookie patch auto going over to Indy.
Nice.
Yeah, dude, those look real slick.
You got the name for that.
Yeah, I know, right? Indy and Amosa, just doing that work. Another auto. Ted Johnson, 5 out of 25 over to the Pats. A little old school stuff there for Matty G. And a Marvin Harrison franchise foundations. All right, we're down to the last box. Did so many hits. Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
All right. And here we go. Last box. Certified. I'll tell you what, the 8-boxer, this is a little bang for your buck. You usually got to pay double for that at the Glitter Club, but here, 27, 30 minute. A 30-minute. Oh, that would cost a fortune at the Glitter Club. There you go. How about a Michael Penix at 275?
he's gonna be starting any day.
RPGO. There you go, buddy. I'm glad that they're not starting him right out of the rip.
I know. It ruined the guy.
It's like you get these false sense of like whenever Bo Nix starts or Drake May, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And it's like, oh man, well here's another Devondre Sweat. Whoo, big boy. I bet you he can do a number at Ponderosa. Yeah. There you go, little Jalen Waddle sitting down in there for you, John. That's out of 99. All right, you got Miami? Yeah, he does. And the purple guy of Xavier Leggett, 6 out of 10, though. So shorter print going over Carolina. Umberto. There you go, buddy. Then Amon-Ra St. Brown have 249. Isaiah. I don't know, man. I kind of dig on certified. Here's Adisa Isaac out of 400. Nico Collins, 299. And Deebo Samuel, 349. Josh Jacobs, that dude's good. Micah Parsons. All right, last two. That's going to be Brendan Rice out of 249. Back over to the Chargers. Patrick Surtain over there. And last pack loving anything. Bueller. Hoi. It's a Vince Ferragamo. 25 out of 75 to the Rammers in Thunderball McGillicuddy. If I was going to use a fake name at a bar in a different city,
That's it.
I'd use Vince Ferragamo. People would be like, what did you just say? I'd be like, yeah, I own my own cologne line.
You hear the importance in that name?
Yeah, you hear the importance in that name. Oh, I drive a hatchback. What? No, not Vince Ferragamo. I drive a Dodge Stratus. Dude, I love Certified. It weirds me out that I like Certified so much this year. There's a lot of serial numbered stuff. And I love it. But if for any reason you don't have a hit, obviously I got those Absolute Packs back air. Let me get that one saved up. We'll jump back over to personals, man. We'll get rocking and rolling. So if you do want a personal, go ahead and snag one. It's fire.